Made of fine quality material, long lasting to use. Can help you repair the dents on your car. It will not harm the painted surfaces. Suitable for the sheet metal processing of automobile, refrigerator, motorcycle, washing machine, etc. Steps for usage. 1. Clean the surface with a clean damp cloth. 2. Stick the glue stick on the gun, turn on the power, and warm up for 5-10 minutes. 3. Choose the glue pull tab according to the size of the dent, then put the heated glue on the pull tab, immediately put the pull tab in the center of the dent and keep it until it sticks. 4. Let the glue cool for about 8-10 minutes. The cooling time should be less than 10 minutes, and it should be slightly shorter in winter. 5. After the glue cools, align it with a golden dent lifter or bridge dent puller and press the puller to pull up the dent. Repeat the above steps until the dent disappears. 6. After the dents are completed, use 95% alcohol to clean the remaining glue on the surface of the car body with a plastic shovel. Material: plastics plus stainless steel, not full metal. Please check the description link to order this product. Also, check out our bio.